Alright, so to finish up the control arm tie rod job, I need to rent this guy. It's a puller, and what we're going to use this guy for is to move the old control arm bushing off the control arms. And then we'll see if we can basically hammer it into the new guys. Yeah, so let's get started on this guy. How this guy works is you have these three arms which will attach onto the bushing itself, and then a center screw driven part that pushes against the control arm that way. Alright, so yeah, we'll get these guys pulled off right now. Okay, so I have the puller, and the problem I was facing yesterday was that the puller, this guy, kept slipping off the end of the control arm, so I could never pull it off. So what I've done is actually I put a socket head right here, and it's running through the back of the socket head. So basically, the screw's running through the socket head right here, and the base sort of holds it in place, so hopefully it doesn't shift around. So we'll give that a shot today. Let's see if we're able to pull that guy off. All right. Day 3, and I still have not gotten these bushings off. As you can see here, they are still stuck. I just got these guys in the mail, and these are the new bushings for the lollipop portion that goes on the control arms. I did not buy the standard E30 ones. These are E30 M3 control arm bushings, and I'll open these guys up so you guys can see now. All right. Here you go. Here are the offset E30 M3 bushings, and you can see they are solid. What this is going to do is it's going to provide some front or forward caster. So if this is my shock tower, it's going to push it forward ever so slightly. And with stock springs, this doesn't really make any sense, but I'm planning to lower the car in the future with springs, and this should help add, give the driver, better road feel and steering input and that kind of stuff. So here are these guys, and we'll be, after we pull this one off, we'll basically be pressing these guys in, then installing these lollipops back onto the new control arms. All right, we are going to try a new technique. And this is something I saw on Euro Garage, and I'm hoping I have better luck with this than I've had so far. So this technique involves some sort of lubricant and a big heavy hammer. So let's give it a shot. Alright, I've had enough of this. I'm going to take these guys to a machine shop and get it pulled off. So,